In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flip text in Microsoft Word. If you want to create a mirrored or upside-down text effect in Word, one of the easiest ways to do it is by using a text box and adjusting its rotation settings. This method is simple, works well for titles, labels, or creative layouts, and gives you a lot more control than trying to rotate regular body text directly. To get started, go to the Insert tab at the top of Microsoft Word. In that menu, click Text Box, then choose the Simple Text Box option. This will place a standard text box onto your document. A text box is useful here because Word allows you to apply special formatting and effects to it more easily than it does with normal paragraph text. Once the text box appears, click inside it and type the text you want to flip. You can keep it short, like a heading or a single word, or enter a longer phrase if needed. Before moving on, it can help to make sure the wording, size, and font look the way you want, since it's often easier to style the text first and then apply the flip effect afterward. Next, you'll need to open the formatting options for the text box itself. To do that, right-click the border of the text box, not the text inside, and choose Format Shape. This opens a formatting panel on the side of the screen where you'll find more advanced options for adjusting the box and its effects. In that side panel, click the Effects icon, which looks like a pentagon shape. Under Effects, find the section called 3D Rotation and expand it so you can see the available settings. Look for the X rotation field and change that value to 180. As soon as you do that, your text will flip. This is the key setting that creates the upside-down appearance. At this point, the text is flipped, but you may still see the outline of the text box around it. If you want a cleaner final look, you can remove that border. Go to the Shape Format tab, click Shape Outline, and then select No Outline. This makes the box invisible while keeping your flipped text in place on the page. And that's it. You've successfully flipped text in Microsoft Word using a text box and the 3D rotation settings. This is a quick and effective technique whenever you need a creative text effect in your document.